Hello people and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Today I'm gonna dye my hair again and hopefully it's gonna be the last time. Today I want to do a peekaboo hairstyle, or some people call it the underlayer hairstyle, with a money piece. But like the most of the people, instead of bleaching my already dark hair, I'm gonna be dyeing my bleached hair dark blonde. That's the hair dye. Yeah, I'm gonna be dyeing like most of my hair dark blonde, and then I'm gonna leave this underlayer over there. We're gonna leave it just how it is. I think I'm gonna bleach my roots as well, and the money piece, like I said. The reason for it is that I have to stop bleaching my hair because it's really damaged, really dry, and it's basically breaking off all the time. And I've been planning on doing that a long time ago. I kind of did something similar 2 years ago, but it was only a money piece, and then I bleached my hair again. So yeah, I just want to let my hair grow, and but I don't want to have just a plain dark blonde because I know it's gonna be boring and it's not me. And basically the last time I have a natural hair color was like a very long time ago, because I started bleaching my hair when I was 15, so almost 9 years ago. That's why I'm doing the underlayer, so hopefully it's gonna look okay. It's currently almost 6:30 and it's already late. I know it's gonna be a very difficult job to do, especially if it's only me and I have to section my hair all alone. And I have a mirror just over there, and I also have another one which is very tiny and dirty. So yeah, good luck to me. I will start with sectioning my hair, and I need to be closer to the mirror, so if you're not gonna see everything that I'm doing, I'm sorry, but I have to be focused. Basically what I want to do is look how my hair falls. I don't want to have like a chunky money piece on my forehead. I used to have it before and I didn't like it very much, so I want to kind of hide it underneath like half of my bangs, so it's gonna look kind of like this. So let's do that first. Yeah, I think this is gonna be the first section. I think I'm just gonna braid it just to get it out of the way. Now I'm gonna have that on my face. The next thing, I saw a girl on TikTok that had a light hair over there, and then dark hair, and then a light hair again. So I think I'm just gonna do that as well. I don't know if I want to have like a whole white edge all over my face, because my skin is really pale, and as much as I love white hair, it doesn't look very good with my pale skin. Okay, I'm back and my sections are ready. This took me way too long, but basically it looks kind of like that. I don't even know if you can see it well. Yeah, this is it from the back. I know it's not perfect, but it's something. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna start with dyeing my hair now, and this is gonna be very interesting and very hard for me, so wish me luck. I'm gonna start with mixing my hair dye, and this is gonna be the easiest part. I'm kind of nervous, to be honest, and I hope this color is gonna match my roots. I don't even know how to start, to be honest. I don't know if I should bring some foils. Maybe I should just wrap my head in a foil and kind of protect it from the dye. Yeah, I should do that. I've got 2 kinds of foil with me. Hopefully we're going to work this out somehow. I guess that should do it for this side. I'm gonna look ridiculous. It is Tuesday and I have to be up at 4 o'clock in the morning, so wish me luck. But I don't know why I'm doing this right now, but I started, so there's no way back. I need to say goodbye to this beautiful blonde. I love it so much, but it's so unhealthy. Okie dokie, here we go with one side. Hi, I'm back. So what happened is I finished dyeing my hair and I forgot to actually record it because I got very nervous and I thought that I cannot do it, but somehow I managed. But I'm not gonna lie, it was very hard. I'm gonna wait about 25 minutes now. I've got a hair dye all over my body. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna show you how I bleach my roots, and then I think I'll see you the next day because I'm already too tired. I'll do my roots. I probably won't talk to you anymore, so I guess I'll see you tomorrow. So it's actually 4 days later. I've just washed my hair for the first time since I've dyed it, and this is how it looks like. I really like it. It took me around 4 hours to do this. This dark blonde looks like a light brown, but I think it suits me, so I'm not gonna complain about it. This is how it looks from the back. That's the front. I love this underlayer. It's nothing too crazy, but it's also not a boring hairstyle. So yeah, very happy about that. I hope it's gonna stay on my head for a long time. I had to cut my hair as well, so if you want to see how I cut my hair, check out my other video. That is the very first step for my healthy hair journey. So yeah, I'll just do a little 360 for you so you can see exactly how it looks like. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I will see you in my next video. And I hope it's not gonna be another hair dyeing video. And yeah, bye bye!